on.
Is that better?
Yeah.
You look so comfy.
Why?
No. Good morning, guys. We're off. She's packed. Hope she stays strapped on. Should be fun. Wife in dire need of a coffee. 5 hours today. There's going to be tyre pressures, coffee at Asda before we go, and then on the road. Mixture of excitement and oh fuck, it's a long way. But I'll let you know how she fares. See ya. Okay, so this 40-mile-an-hour road, 40 patch, becomes a 70-mile-an-hour road, which takes me all the way to England, so trip started. On a side note, I adjusted the suspension 2 clicks, see your last video. God, she's more planted. She's just, I can't wait to faff around with her when I get back on the suspension front. But that is us on the road, guys. I took a picture of the speedo when we set off, trip B. See what she's like when we get back. Woo! Music on, ear plug in, Google Maps on the go. Stop every 100 miles or so for fuel, or when I need a pee. And that's us settled. Off we go. And I'm recording by accident. You know when you get from the house like 5 minutes and realise your gloves aren't on right? And then the missus turned around to me and said, got your work done, haven't you? I was like, yeah, of course I have. And then 2 minutes later I was like, I've got to check. Fuck's sake. Joys of touring. Anywho, we are in Wales. I didn't get any footage of Lake District because it pissed it down, but it was beautiful. I got some photos, and as you can see, Wales is just as nice, and it's still pissing it down. But Scarborough next. So far the bike's doing fine. I have hardened up the suspension again, because it developed a little bit of a tank wobble, tank slapper going on. Handlebar wobble, that's the one. I think it's just because I took the weight off the front wheel with everything on the back, but put suspension up again and seems to sort everything out. So, enjoying the ride, not enjoying the weather that much, but bike hasn't skipped a beat. That's what it's all about, isn't it? Okay guys, so just come from Wales, about 200 odd miles, so we're halfway through the touring week, and ironically enough it's my camera that's messing me about. The bike hasn't missed a beat. Like I say, I did get a wobble on the front end when she's heavily loaded at the back, but I tweaked the suspension and she's fine. So apart from that, we're off to get some fish and chips, because we are now in Scarborough. By the way, I am so... what was that? Okay, so I'm so glad I got the detachable windscreen now. I mean, the windscreen's been great, it's kept the wind off my chest, no problems, but it's nice now we're here, we've got the tent set up, just leave the windscreen in there and I can just grab a blast through the countryside. Awesome! Oh, this is my home country! Back in Yorkshire. Welcome to Scarborough. I can't help but feel like a little kid, because well, my parents used to bring me here on holiday every year. I don't think this is rain. See if you can see this. So this, the bike seems to be running awesome after it's spent all day on the motorway. Probably cleared the pipes a bit. And she feels a lot more planted on the back end now I've hiked up the suspension. So all people are buying one new, just experiment with the suspension a bit, firm it up a couple of notches, and she definitely feels more planted. Have to try commuting at home yet to confirm that, but she's nice. I'm actually starting to get used to this rain. What would I do in the sun anyway? Burn. That's what I would do. Okay, morning peeps, last day of the tour. So, to sum up, sorry, sat-nav's talking to me. Okay, so to sum up, I toured twos up, with way too much weight on the back, coming through, you're too slow. And to be honest, she hasn't missed a beat. I think I might spoil her to an oil change when I get back. Sounding a little bit rough than what she usually is. But she's had some hard abuse this trip. I'll show you the picture of trip B, which I haven't reset for the entire trip. I'll show you all of that. But no, she's done well. Let's see, my tank bag blew off at 90 miles an hour, so I need a new tank bag. My Scott oil ran dry, and then I had to prime the thing again and figure out how to do that. What else? Yeah, I had a few equipment failures, which were all add-ons and that. Comfort-wise, my back hurts, but I slouch a lot, so if I remember to sit up straight, she's actually a dream. She holds 70 miles an hour, no problem. So all in all, good trip. Ironically enough, this is the best weather we've bloody had. We're damp, we're wet, we're exhausted, but the bike, no problems. So hope you enjoyed the photographs, even though I had nothing to do with it, but on the technical side, she did the trick. Oh, and my camera's messing up completely. Going to be going back to the GoPro. Yeah, he's still recording, thank God. And it's raining. Don't you dare rain! Anyhow, we're on our way home. It's been a good trip. I might have mentioned about the wobble in the front, but I took her out last night with no weight on the back, and that wobble's not there. So it is literally because I've overloaded it. I haven't read up on it, but I took way too much gear. But she did it. She did it. Hands off to her. Good bike. As always, guys, have fun, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.